Welcome. The film is an LG G8s, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on this device. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, expand it, and you should find the screen recorder toggle somewhere in here. Now for me it's right second last option, so you can hold it or tap on it. If you hold it, let's allow here, we'll get a couple options so we can include yourself in a video. So this will enable the front-facing camera. Then we have audio source, so we can choose either mic or content, which in this case it's just going to be whatever the phone makes. So if you're playing some music, it will record that music. If you choose the mic, it will just pick up your voice and nothing else, although if you have whatever it's playing through the device loud enough, it's going to go to the speakers and the microphone will pick it up anyway. And then we have video resolution, which allows us to change it to the highest resolution right here. Now, the higher the resolution, the better the quality of the video. If you're struggling with space, you could go for 720 or even drop it lower, although 720p, which is the middle one, in my opinion, it's like the bare minimum. Anything below that will just look garbage, so just keep that in mind. Preferably, the best option would be the 1080p, which is the best one here. And once all that's set is, you can leave it and simply tap on the toggle and it will count down, I believe, and start recording. There it is, there's the countdown, and now it's recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded. And once you're done, click on the square right here to stop it, and it will get saved automatically to your photo gallery. So you can open that up, and from here you will see as the recording. I'm gonna mute the device. There we go. So from here, let's stop on the video and start playing it. And there we go, that's all. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.